What's up, guys? It's Retro Bo from Retro Bo's Toys and Treasures. I just wanted to do a video that I haven't done in a while. Noticed this at this was at TJ Maxx over by my area, and I have never seen a pack like this before. I've seen the sheets of 9 pages where it says one hologram for like $6 or whatever there. But I've never seen these mystery packs with the actual Pokemon packs on it, saying 1 factory sealed booster pack, 1 bonus card, and a top loader. I'll never guess how much this cost. $12.99 for 1 pack, 1 extra card, 1 random factory sealed booster pack, 1 bonus single card, and a top loader. A surprise card carefully protected in a durable top loader, from dazzling hollows to fan favorite characters. Each one adds a unique touch to your collection. That is straight up ChatGPT writing something like that for you. This could be anything from a current release to rare, vintage, or high value packs. The fun and the mystery, you never know what you're gonna get. So if you've ever opened up some of those boxes that they have at Walmart, they're like 5 packs, mystery packs like that, and you don't know what you're gonna get. I've opened, I think they're like $25 or $30 each. I've probably opened 25 to 30 of those. I think the oldest pack that I got was like Evolving Skies. So let's see, I didn't have my camera mount with me right now, so I didn't really anticipate doing this right now. So let me see if I can get this so you guys can actually see what I'm doing right now. Hopefully, I guess this will work right now. Come prepared. Yeah, it should work though. Alright, so I'm opening up the pack right now. See right there, something no blowing here in the gap. Alright. There it is right there, just opened it. And let's see what's inside. I'm gonna dump it out, and then I'll close my eyes and I'll show you guys what it is first. So we'll be seeing it together. And then look. Alright, let's see what this is. It is Japanese pack. Probably these look like AliExpress, or the packs that you would get at like a flea market almost. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of cards in there either. And let's see what this is. And a 10-cent card, if you're lucky. Now let's see what's in the pack. And for some reason, I don't remember packs ever having that in it right there. But I've never opened up this Mega Pokemon pack. Let me see. Let me grab my iPad real quick. Let me see what ChatGPT says. Can you tell me where this Pokemon pack is from, what year it is? Let's see now. Oh, let's see. This is a Japanese Pokemon Mega Gardevoir EX booster pack from the set Pokemon. Let's see. Released in 2015, wow. 5 cards per pack. This is what tough right features, Mega One EX, whatever. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, so what should this back way? packaging difference in fluctuates generally considered. Three to 10 to 4 roughly between unopened. Okay. 3 to 5, 4 to 5 gram. A difference of only a few things. I think I might have a digital scale over here. I found it at the flea market the other day. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Good. I wonder if this is the right kind of scale. I don't really weigh anything that small. Let's see. Sorry for the shaky lens. Is this all right? Scale. Yes, that scale will work for a rough number. Let's see now. I said I've never used, I just got this scale a little bit ago. I'm sorry for the shaky hands too. I said I usually have a tripod with me. But let's see now. Okay, on, off, hello. And negative 0.21. There it is right there, okay? Negative 0.2 again. Let's see, let's tear this thing. There again. And before it does anything. This thing's got to be wrong. It says 8.74 ounces. So 8.74 ounces. Okay, so the scale must be wrong then. So let's take a look then. I'm done waiting. There's 5 cards in there. Let's take a look, see what's in there. Grab a pack of scissors real quick. So I can do this one hand. And make sure I don't cut any of the cards. Alright, let's see. So these are real cards for $12.99. It's not that bad, unless let's see. They're not working. Good enough. Okay. Slide these out now. Okay. Of course, I cut them too short. Let's try this again. I feel like I just cut the cords now. Let's see. All right. Decent card, I think. I might see a decent card. Maybe. Let's see. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. I mean, look. It looks decent, actually. I have no idea what it is, but it looks awesome. Let's find out. It's a sick looking card. That's real. No clue. If anyone knows what that is, let's see. Let's see. Let's find out. You're seeing exactly what I'm seeing right now. Let's take a look. Drum roll. This card is worth near mint. Jeez, oh man, that's terrible. I got excited. So if anybody watches this video and you comment that you want the card, whoever's the first one to comment, I will read your comment and I will get in touch with you and I will send you this pack with those. So, because I haven't been really collecting Pokemon anymore that much. So I've been collecting the toys more. Anyways, if you stuck around for the whole thing, I'm sorry that I didn't get in. Great, I was kind of excited. I haven't seen that card. I was excited. ChatGPT first said 2015, now 2023. So if you liked the video, as always, please like, subscribe, and share. Sorry for the shaky camera. I promise I will find my tripod.